Hi everyone, welcome back. I am RaDona from Boys and Girls Hairstyles. Today I have Stevie with me. She's darling. She is my cousin's daughter. So yeah, she's sweet to let us record this. What I'm going to do, we are doing a dry cut just for a trim. We want to, it's a little more than a trim. We are bringing her ends. I'm going to show you. Okay, well, let's turn you around. You can see. So in the middle here, you can see where it's kind of sparse a little bit here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to bring up these ends to thicken this up. So a lot of people are scared to cut their hair just because of length. But if you bring it up to the sparse area, it's going to look a lot longer because it's thick. Sometimes it actually looks shorter when it's like a little bit thin and endy through the ends. So we are going to bring that up. Now, what I want to do first is make sure she's standing, like just make sure your legs are totally just straight, okay? That you're not like on one different. Okay, so make sure their legs are straight. I don't have her in the chair because it goes over the chair and it won't be even. So I love to, with all my long-haired haircuts, I like them to stand out while I do length. I can do all the other stuff in the chair, but I like the length out so I can see exactly what I'm doing and not over the chair. Okay, so you're going to put their head down. Okay, and then you can see the sparse part right here. I'm just gonna come straight across. Okay, and then you're gonna comb. Gonna come straight across here. Okay, so I want you guys to see, you look over here and you see, you know, the sparse, more endy on this side. This side, you look over and look at how much, it just looks so much thicker over here. Okay, now I'm gonna come on this side, same thing, just keep her head down. Okay, and we're gonna come over here, come straight across to the length. Okay, I comb a lot. Make sure it's even. Okay, and now for the sides, after you get that even, you're gonna turn, then you're gonna tilt their head a tiny bit. Make sure her chin is level, okay? You don't want it down and you don't want it up. Just make sure it's level. So turn, make sure that's level. Then you're gonna tilt the head a tiny bit. You're gonna bring this straight down. Okay, and then I'm gonna turn her more so you can see this. Sorry, I keep moving her. Okay, and then you're gonna take this front part. Okay, now this side, same thing. Just gonna make sure that chin is, yep, you got it perfect, Stevie, good job. Okay, now we're gonna tilt the head. Gonna bring that to the side. Make sure this is all even. Bring this to the front. Okay, then I'm gonna turn her to the front. Bring both sides. And we're gonna make each side, need to make sure that we're even on each side. Hold this. Still a little bit longer on this side. So we're gonna bring this up a tiny bit. Okay. Okay, you doing good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I'm gonna just double check the sides, make sure everything is even.
Yeah.
Okay, and same thing here. Just gonna make sure make sure there's no hair hiding behind the ear. Okay. Okay, awesome. I'm gonna turn her back around. I'm gonna show you guys the length. And if you want, you can take after. Just take the flat iron to it. But you can see the after on how much thicker her hair looks, that bottom. I mean, it does. Oh, thank you for bringing that up. So, yes, I'm so glad you brought that up. Thank you. So that's another thing is a lot of people don't like, to cut their hair. They're a little nervous or whatever. Honestly, it does grow back so much faster. I think, Stevie, last time I think we went even shorter, but anyway, it's grown back and obviously we needed to cut it back up again, but it does grow so much faster when you cut it off. So if you're nervous about that, don't worry, it does help it grow back a lot faster. So thank you, Cody, for reminding me to let them know that because that's huge. But okay, so thank you, Stevie, for letting us show your beautiful haircut and your beautiful self. But thank you so much. I hope that helps you to be able to cut somebody's hair to make it more even. So thank you and have a good day. See ya.